Today I'm going to be replacing this chair from Staples that I bought a few years ago with one I bought from a Facebook ad. 64 pounds. This is like a two-person job. Okay, get that in there. Does it just go like that? It's weird. Oh shit. All right, this is the Autonomous AI Ergo Chair 2 in black and white. First impressions is that it's really adjustable. Almost every part of the chair that you can adjust, you can adjust. So the headrest can go up and down. It can tilt. So it has a tilt mechanism over there, multiple tilts. The armrest can shift back, forth, side. So almost like a 360 action here. Tilts to the side there. And obviously, it can also go up and down. It's got a whole bunch of levers for the tension in the back here, whether you want to lock the back. So levers here, whether you want to lock the back, unlock it allows you to recline, and even the tension in this reclining action is adjustable. You can also shift the cushion back and forth, and the lumbar support is also adjustable. You can move this up and down right there. And what you want to do though is you want to keep the manual because this thing is just really adjustable, and there's no simple labels on any of the handles, so you can't just look at it and it'll tell you how to do it. So you'll need a manual, or I think maybe print something off here, because there's just a lot of levers at the base here that controls random things, and it's not really intuitive to use. So that's probably one of the criticism, is that it's not intuitive. It's got tons of little options. You'll definitely want to save the manual. It's, for the most part, made of like a hard plastic. The armrest here isn't, well, actually it's slightly cushiony, but compared to my old chair, which is hard plastic, this one has a little bit of give. Has a little bit of give on it, and it's fairly comfortable. It doesn't slide, but you can also just move it to the right position for you. It does have a weird smell coming off the foam. It smells a little bit like some weird VOC. It smells like VOC or mold type of smell. And it's been 24 hours since I opened it, and it wasn't as strong as when I first got it, but nonetheless, it doesn't smell the greatest. And that's to be seen. I've used it for a day so far, and I quite like it, mainly because
it's more better than this one, and this one is rotting.
Okay, it also has a mesh back and a mesh headrest here, which allows the heat to come through, or cool. It allows you to cool your back, or by heat I mean like I had a heater. The air to go through, so airflow, great airflow.
And this.
Yes, that's the adjustable tilt. And that is it for the autonomous AI for now, and I will double back on you. See how it goes in about a month.